This video provides an overview of the electrical socket hidden camera. The camera is a Sony CCD 620 TVL resolution camera with a 3.7mm wide-angle lens, providing an 80-degree field of view. Here you can see a sample of video captured using the camera. Keep in mind that in this example, the camera is mounted at about eye level. To install the camera, first remove the front faceplate. Disconnect the video wire from the board. Next, you will need a hole cut in your wall where you will be installing the camera. Once the hole is cut, feed the wire through the wall, then push the blue casing flush with the wall. Secure it using 4 screws. Next, reattach the video cable to the board. Next, reattach the white faceplate using the 2 screws you removed earlier. And your camera is now ready to use. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching.